In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your campaigns in Wrike using a filtered table view. First, open Wrike and head to your campaign management area. This is usually a specific space or folder where all your campaign projects live. If your workspace looks a little different from what you see on screen, don't worry. The key is that you're in the right area where your campaigns are listed, typically in a central folder or project space created for marketing or campaign work. Once you're in campaign management, look toward the middle of the screen where your projects or tasks are displayed. You'll see some controls and tabs that let you choose how you view your work. Click on the highlighted option that opens the main view selector. This is what allows you to switch between different views like list, board, Gantt chart, and table. From the options that appear, choose the table style view, often called the table view. This layout shows your campaigns in rows and columns, similar to a spreadsheet. It's especially useful when you want to see key details like dates and statuses at a glance, and apply filters to focus on just the work that matters right now. Next, at the top of the table, look for a filter or status dropdown that's currently showing a general option, like all items. Click on the highlighted control and select All Active. This will narrow your view so you only see active campaigns, removing completed or deferred work from the table. Filtering to active items is a great way to keep your workspace clean and avoid being overwhelmed by historical data. Now that you're focused on active campaigns, we'll refine how they're organized. At the top of the table, find the column header area and click on the highlighted section related to sorting. From the list of available columns, select Start Date. This tells Wrike to show or prioritize the start date column so you can easily track when each campaign kicks off. After that, click the next highlighted column control and adjust it so that due date is visible and used as another key reference point. Having both start dates and due dates in your table view makes it much easier to understand timelines, spot overlaps, and see what's coming up next. By the end of these steps, you'll be looking at a clean table of all your active campaigns in Wrike, clearly organized by their start and due dates, giving you a simple, powerful overview of your campaign schedule.